of these people have been arrested.
Well, I'm going to stay in your province because there's something also significant, and it will be amiss of me if I do not ask you, has happened in your province as well, and that was the murder of AKA. How far are we in solving that matter?
Well, that is really under the guide and the oversight of the provincial commissioner. He has given the report, Faith, of late, that we have found the getaway car. The gun has been found. They have found 2 people that I know for sure. Those people have been kept very safe because they know very well what happened in that particular day. But
these are witnesses that have been found?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, who have given the information for the police to get the gun, for the police to get the cars. Those things are in the hands of the police as we speak. We know who are chasing, and those 2 guys must be kept very safe because they know what happened on that particular day, even beyond what happened on that day about the networks that led to the unfortunate murder of AK.
Was it Ingabi?
Let me not get in that one, but those people, some of them were hired, and I guess once you are hired, you are in Gabi. But some of those people were close associates. That's why
close associate of the deceased.
Yes.
So close associate of AKA were part of orchestrating the murder of AKA, according to the intelligence you've got so far.
Let me end there. Let me not to try that. Bring the case and try it even before it is in court. It will be okay to stop just there. But that what one has said, I think, is enough for the public to understand that we are close. We have not closed our books. We are working on the matter.
We're going to take more of your calls after the break.